Hey gang, Lisa and Tom, we are here at Easttown Auto Repair and Tire, episode number 5. Let's go inside.
Hey everyone, we're here at Easttown Auto and Tire with Don, the manager. Don, can you tell us a little more about what you do here?
Well, we do a full service repair center. We do tires, auto repairs, pretty much any make and model, foreign, domestic. We can do brakes, tires. I mean, it's tune-ups, anything you need. We can diagnose it, bring it in, we'll get you fixed up, and we can go from there.
Oil changes.
Oil changes, very, very important. Yeah.
Awesome. Hey, look, folks, thanks again, Don.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. Please like, love, comment, and share this video. Look forward to seeing you on another one of our highlights of a local business.
All right, that's a wrap for this episode. Today's question is, what is the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qualification? Tom, I think you're better on this one.
Okay, simple. A pre-qualification is you, as a customer, applying on my website and us giving you a pre-qualification based on the information you put in there, as well as your credit score, which we pull from your credit report or credit analysis, right? A true pre-approval is that you've uploaded all those income and asset docs, allowed us to confirm that what you actually put in there is in fact what you make and the amount of money that you have to actually work with and put down. That is a true pre-approval versus a pre-qual. Hopefully this makes sense. If you guys have more comments, questions, or concerns, let us know.